Welcome to another Tap Essentials video where I will be teaching the 5-count riff. 5 components: touch, scuff, heel drop, heel dig, toe drop. Make 5 beats or sounds. Keep your knees relaxed and ankles loose. Practice time. Speed it up. Do that again, a little faster. Keep trying to increase your speed. One more time, as fast as you can. Or in sign language, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I remember sign language correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-count riff today. Are you ready? I'm sorry for the long pause between videos. Normally, while I'm in this master's program, I decreased my video content to being only once every other week instead of every week, 1 or 2 videos a week, which I had been doing before I started the master's program. Once the summer break hits, I should be able to start actually posting more routines again, which I haven't had the time to do either. So for all those who have been sticking with me, thank